how to fix sound not working in Chromebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So I'll help you solve your sound issue not working on your Chromebook. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to settings. Then on the left hand side, go to system, and there you'll find sound under display. Tap on it, and then make sure that the sound is set to speakers and the volume is set to high. Now, if mono audio is toggled on, then make sure to toggle it off. And then scroll down, and you can see volume mixer. Tap on it, and then here you can check for the sounds in apps. Like for example, you can see that Google Chrome has very low voice. You can just increase it, and then the volume will be increased in Google Chrome only. Similarly, you can also increase the system sounds if you wish, and like this you can change the volume of other apps as well. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helps you out. If it does, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.